Hello students, welcome back. Hope yesterday's video helped you how to handle a mathematical case study. Today, let's look into another case study model. So, in this one, the senior school students of St. Peter's High School at Ramnagar planned to do a gardening activity. So, this is about a gardening activity. The school management allotted a 10 meter by 9 meter plot of land for it. So, this gives you the length and breadth of the plot which is being given. So, you look into this 10 by 9, it tells that this is a rectangular plot. Okay. The students made a design as shown beside. So, I had made a design of my own. So this is the model which looks like this. Okay. So this is the rectangular plot that the school management is allotted. Now let's look into the question. They decided to fence the circular plot and grow dahlias inside it. So this is the circular plot. So inside this, the students of that school are going to grow dahlias. They set aside the sector portion. Can you see a sector portion here? Okay, so the sector portion, I have shaded only the triangle, but the sector will include this area also. Okay, so this is a sector. They have set aside the sector portion for red roses. Excluding the circular part, so excluding this part, they decided to grow daffodils. So all this area they are going to grow daffodils. This area is allotted for dahlias, and over here they are going to grow red roses. Okay, consider this situation and answer the question. So this is the situation. So this figure is a must that we have to follow. Okay, so let's look into the figure and answer the questions. Question number 1. What are the coordinates of point O? So O, I had marked O here. So what are the coordinates they want? This is something like a coordinate geometry question. Okay. So they've given 5, 4, 4, 5, 4.54 and 4, 4.5. So I'm not sure actually where the point comes. So let me look into this. So approximately my x-axis is 4.5 and my y-axis is 4. So out of these points, which is approximate to my answer, 4.5 comma 4 will be the answer. Okay, then. What is the radius of the sector portion if the point y is 6.5? This is 6.5, okay, 6.5 comma 7. So they have given this y. Y is 6.5 comma 7. You just found what is O. What was your O that you just found? So I am just working out here. Your point y. What's your y that they had given? 6.5 comma 7. So 6.5 comma 7. What's your O that was already found? That is 4.5 comma 4. See, you must have found the correct answer in the first subdivision. Only then your second subdivision will be correct. If not, this will also go wrong. Because you are dependent on the first question now. So now this is your y point. This is your O point. Now let me take this as x1, y1, x2, y2. They're asking the radius. It means they want the distance from O to y. So what formula am I going to use here? I am going to use the distance formula. Hope you remember the distance formula. The distance formula will be root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So what have I assumed as x2? This is my 4.5 minus 6.5 the whole square plus 4 minus 7 the whole square. So 4.5 minus 6.5 is minus 2 the whole square, and 4 minus 7 will be minus 3 the whole square. So what's minus 2 the whole square? That's going to be 2 squared 4. Minus 3 the whole square is going to be 3 squared 9. So my answer is going to be root 13. So root 13, which option is right here? My option B is right. Then third subdivision, question number 3. What is the area of the sector with mid angle 60 degree? So the middle angle 60, which is 60 now. This part is 60 degrees. Can you understand? Now they're asking you to find what is the area of the sector portion. The sector portion is where you are going to grow red roses. Okay, so let's look into how to work out that part. Now area, do you remember what's area of a sector formula? Area of a sector will be theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the formula. Now, what is the area of the sector with mid angle 60 degrees? So in the place of theta, you have to substitute 60. So 60 by 360 into pi into, what's the radius that you have found? Radius is OY. What's OY? OY is root 13. You just found. See, here if you do mistake in the second subdivision, you won't arrive at the third subdivision's answer. Okay. So this will become root 13 the whole square. So you take away 0 and 0. 6 will go in 36 6 times. What is root 13 the whole square? That will be 13. So your answer is 13 pi by 6. Since it is area, it will be meter squared. Now, amongst this, which is 13 pi by 6 meter squared? This is option A. Then, fourth one. How much of fencing wires required to fence the circular plot? So this is your circular plot. This is going to be fenced. So what are you going to find here? You are going to find what is the circumference of the circle. Hope you remember what is the circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle ka formula will be 2 pi r. So 2 pi r, which will be 2 pi. What's your r? R is the radius of the circle, OY, which you had found already. So that's going to be just root 13. So I'm not going to simplify anything more. So it is 2 root 13 pi meter. So let me find where is that answer. 2 root 13 pi. 13, this is the answer. My subdivision B will be the answer. Then the last one. What are the coordinates of point P? Now you have to come to the figure and see where is point P. So point P is somewhere over here. They're asking what is the coordinate. So let me see what's the coordinate. This is approximately 2. So x-axis is 2, y-axis is 3. So 2, 3. Where's 2, 3? So 2, 3 is the right option. Okay. So understood. Hope you understood this. See, there are 5 subdivisions. This is the reference figure. Question is explained here. You have to read the question, look into the figure, refer to the figure and then answer the questions. Okay, so this is a figure oriented sum. You have to look into this and that too. See, the preceding subdivision is dependent on the preceding subdivision. You get the answer for the first one, then you'll come to the right answer for the second one. It is like that. Okay, case study questions will be like that. One will be dependent on the other. Okay, hope you understood the video. Thank you all of you.